Hello, cuties. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am new to this platform, so let me give you guys a small introduction. I live in Bangalore in a PG. Came here for my work, and I thought I could share my thoughts and ideas and what I do and stuff. So let me tell you a small story. I was randomly watching a YouTube channel, like how to cook or boil chickpeas in an electric kettle. So I did not find any helpful videos, to be honest. I thought I could share my version of boiling chickpeas in an electric kettle. So I work out regularly, so I need to concentrate on my diet. So that is where all it began. Let us dive right into the video. So this is my first video, guys. Please be polite and good comments are always appreciated. Before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel. I promise I will not disappoint you. I never thought I would say this, ever. To begin with, you'll need an electric kettle. I soaked these chickpeas the day before, the whole night, and you need salt and pepper and of course water. So pour water. Put in the soaked chickpeas. Add salt for taste. I added Himalayan pink salt. Any salt. Come on. Give it a nice stir. And let it boil for 30 to 40 minutes. I actually broke the lid which came along with the kettle, so yeah. The last step, sprinkle pepper